Welcome. Today we're going to look at updating the firmware on your brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating system versions. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Updating the firmware will cause some of the data in your brother machine to be deleted. Reset items include secured print data, caller ID log, journal report, outgoing message, or possibly more, depending on your model's features. We strongly recommend that you read the installation notes on the download page before running the firmware update tool. Please note, your firmware cannot be updated if you're using printer sharing and the brother machine is connected to a different computer. Also, your firmware must be updated using a brother driver. AirPrint drivers will cause an error. First, print a test page to ensure proper operation of your printer. A printing problem will prevent the firmware from being updated, so troubleshoot any print issues first. Go to www.brother-usa.com/support and download the firmware update tool. Browse to your download location and double-click on the file. Open the installer package icon marked firmware update tool.pkg. Click Continue on the Welcome window. If prompted, select which users to install the software for and click Continue. Click Install. If prompted, enter your Macintosh password and click Install Software. If you do not know your system password, please contact Apple or your network administrator for assistance. Click on the file firmwareupdater.jar. You may need to install a Java development kit to open the file. Click More Info to be directed to the JDK download page. Once Firmware Updater is open, select your language and click Continue. Select the way your machine is connected to the internet. This will most likely be the Connect Directly option. Click Continue to proceed. Choose your machine from the list and click Next or Continue. The update process will require some data about your machine to be collected. If you agree to share this data, click Yes. The process will also cause some data to be deleted from your brother machine. Click Continue to acknowledge this. If you receive a failed to connect to the brother internet server error, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Also verify that your antivirus software and firewall are temporarily disabled. You may need to install a different version of Java. If you receive a connection failure error, ensure that your brother machine is powered on and connected. If your machine is directly connected to a computer through a USB cable, make sure the cable is plugged in. If you are using a wired network, ensure the network cable is connected to both your machine and the access point. If you're using a wireless network, make sure your machine is connected to that network. Verify that your computer and your brother machine are on the same network and that your antivirus software and firewall are temporarily disabled. If your brother machine is password protected, you will need to enter the password and click OK to continue. Once the update process starts, it may take up to 15 minutes to complete. Do not turn off the machine or restart your computer until the process is complete. If your firmware is the latest version, you'll receive the No Update is Needed message. Click on Done to exit. Once the update is completed, you will receive the Successfully Completed message. Click on Continue to update another machine, or Done to exit. If the update process fails due to loss of power or network connection, try the process again. If the process fails for unknown reasons, verify that you are not using an AirPrint driver. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. Thank you for choosing Brother.